Today I'd like to do a video featuring the Legacy Food Storage 72-Hour Family Kit. This particular kit provides 32 servings for a family of 4 for 72 hours. So you could keep this particular kit in your basement, in your pantry, in your kitchen, in the garage, and if there's an emergency situation and you needed food, you could just go into this kit and rehydrate the food that's in here. So they have several different options. We have pasta Alfredo, pasta primavera, enchilada beans and rice, stroganoff, cheese and broccoli bake, chili mac, cheese and broccoli soup mix, and classic chili mix. So for this particular video, we're gonna go through the preparation steps of some of these meals, and then we're gonna do a taste test. So let's get started now with this video featuring the Legacy Food Storage 72-Hour Family Kit. It's always good to have some long-term food storage options for emergency purposes. And those emergencies can vary from anything from a power outage to something maybe a little bit more long-term like a hurricane or a blizzard, and you want to have some food options that you could quickly prepare and provide food and calories for your family. So you could go with a few different options. I like trying to have a well-diverse portfolio of emergency food supplies, canned food, non-perishable items, and then you could also go with some of these pre-made kits that have meals that you just have to basically add boiling water to and then serve. So Legacy Food Storage has a nice catalog with all of their different options that are available here, a lot of different entrees and food items and various kit sizes, whether it be something for 72 hours, something for a month, something for a year. So let's read through some of the items that they list here in their brochure on why you might want to consider going with Legacy. Legacy meal ingredients are non-GMO. They also offer gluten-free meals. They promote that they have the lowest cost per pound of food. So some companies only give you maybe a third to half a cup per serving, which is not that much. Some companies give you about a cup per serving, which is still not a lot. Legacy gives you 1.5 to 2 cups per serving, which is really nice. So they have a few different entrees. They have 19 entrees for breakfast, and it's all made in the USA. They also offer some individual items such as fruits, vegetables, meats, peanut butter, and some specialty items. They have a 25-year shelf life, and they also have some cook-in-the-pouch 2.5 serving meals with USDA certified meat. So the 72-hour family kit has 8 different entrees. So again, it has the pasta Alfredo, 1 pasta primavera, enchilada beans and rice, stroganoff, cheese and broccoli bake, chili mac, cheese and broccoli soup mix, and classic chili mix. All right, we're here with our official taste testers for the Legacy Food Storage. You all know Kid Prepper, and he has his 2 friends. I had them select code names for each other. So we have Burnt Potato Chip and 2-Pound Toothpick. And they're going to be testing the various food that we have here in this Legacy Food Storage box. So we're going to select, I think, like 4 different options. So let me know which ones you want. We have the stroganoff.
What's that?
We have beef and broccoli bake. We have chili mac. Chili mac. We have enchilada beans and rice.
Oh, thanks.
We have classic chili mix.
No.
Cheese and broccoli soup mix.
No.
Pasta primavera. And we have pasta Alfredo. So which ones sound the best out of there?
Chili mac. Chili mac. This one.
Classic chili mix.
Chili mac and chili mix. Enchilada.
Let's do one chili. Let's do the classic chili mix. You want to do the enchilada beans and rice?
Yeah.
I'd like to try the stroganoff.
Yeah, let's try this.
And let's do, I don't know, maybe the pasta primavera.
Ooh.
So we're going to get started cooking those. These ones are fairly easy to cook. You just boil water and cook it, and that's it. And then they'll be giving their honest feedback on how they enjoy the Legacy Premium emergency food, right? You guys ready? All right, let's start cooking, and then we'll have you guys taste it. All of the entrees in this kit are prepared the same way. Basically, all you have to do is boil water. It lists the amount of cups that you need per entree. So you're just going to boil the water, you're going to open up the pouch, remove the oxygen absorber from the pouch, and then dump the contents of the pouch into the boiling water and let it cook for 12 to 15 minutes on average, and stirring occasionally. Once you finish cooking the items and allow them to sit for 3 to 5 minutes to thicken, they really look quite nice. They also smell really good. It just looks like anything else that you may cook on your stove. So again, for this video, we're going to be eating the stroganoff, the pasta primavera, the chili, and the enchilada rice and beans. I personally think that these pre-prepared meals are a good option to have for emergency purposes. In an emergency situation, you might not have time to follow a recipe like you would on any normal day where you're opening up individual items and then preparing them in a meal. So with these, again, all you have to do is boil water, add the contents, cook the contents, eat it, and then be on the go. From what I've read from the ingredients and on the back of each of the pouches, they also offer a fair amount of calories, which is good, between 250 to 450 per serving, which is nice. So again, this allows you to have speed of preparation for food in an emergency situation. All right, so we have our meals here. We have our official taste testers. Again, we have 2-pound toothpick, kid prepper, and burnt potato chip. And we're gonna go through all of the items here. We also have baby prepper, and she may help out a little bit too. So what's most impressive so far, without even tasting it, is the size of the serving size is absolutely huge for each of them. The chili's huge, the rice is huge, all of it. So I think it's quite filling. So we're gonna try them out. Why don't we try one at a time, and we'll give our opinion. All right, guys, let's go with what do you want to try first?
Noodles.
Let's try the noodles. This is the pasta primavera, I think.
Let's try this. Noodles. Let's see, guys. We'll try this noodles. Can I have this for dinner every day?
You want it for dinner? Actually, it's really good.
Who doesn't like this?
A lot of the times the freeze-dried fruit it's really salty, but this is actually really, you could add a little pepper.
Really delicious?
Yeah, it took 12 to 15 minutes to cook, and the pasta is really good. It's not like an al dente.
Let's try.
You try? No, if baby prepper likes it, then you know it's going to be really good. Oh, too hot.
Daddy, can we drink our drinks?
Okay, that's the ultimate test right there, because she doesn't eat anything. All right, let's move over to the stroganoff. The big noodle one. You ready?
How is it? Let's try.
What do you think?
Let's try that.
It is really good.
Daddy, let's try it.
You want to try it?
So far, 2 yeses.
Yeah, I think it could use some mushrooms and like meat in it, but flavor-wise.
No mushrooms.
You don't like mushrooms?
No.
Oh no, your palate's not refined yet.
Daddy, can we drink our drinks?
Sure. You like mushrooms, okay.
Really?
I think it's good. Okay. All right, so we're trying the rice now. This is the enchilada rice. Is it too hot? Too hot. Oh, crap.
Let's try this noodles.
You want to try that noodle?
This is okay.
Actually, the rice is probably my least favorite of it. Wait, why?
Yeah, mine too.
This is the best thing. This is
It's like
The noodles are
it's
still
not
my
your normal
favorite.
rice. I don't.
The noodles are still my favorite.
The noodles are the best. Which noodle do you like better, the stroganoff or the pasta primavera?
Pasta.
the pasta.
The pasta primavera is pretty good.
Can you try the chili now? I'm gonna try the primavera and the pasta.
Yeah, by far, I think the pasta. I'd rank it pasta primavera, stroganoff, and then the rice, right?
I want to try
Right.
this.
Okay, you want to try this? What do you think?
That's good.
Again, baby prepper is eating it, and that's very impressive. All right, let's try the chili. You guys ready?
Oh, this is my chili.
Now, we haven't added any kind of seasonings or anything like that. I think this will taste even better with some pepper in it. No, burnt potato chip likes really spicy food, so we don't have any hot sauce. Some Wawa. Okay, that's it.
Can somebody go run up and get the chipotle adobo?
Okay, all right, let's give it a shot. Ready for the chili? Here we go.
How was a 2-pound toothpick?
I think it's good chili.
Okay.
It's good chili.
Prepper.
Tastes like a bean soup.
It's kind of what chili is.
Baby prepper, can I have my water? It's pretty good.
I think it's pretty good. It has a lot of flavor to it.
I haven't tasted it because I'm.
You want to try that? Someone?
It looks spicy. It probably go good with a little bit
It's
of
not
pepper.
spicy.
I think
Is it
It has good flavor. It's not it's not spicy
It's like
though.
tomatoes. Yeah.
It's like tomato. It tastes like normal chili to me. All right, guys. So what do you think for our final ranking? I think all of them are really good. What if their zombies came and this is all we could eat? Would it be pretty good?
Yeah. I'd definitely.
Yeah,
eat
I
it.
think it'd be great for.
Yeah.
Okay, we have a lifeline coming in with some hot sauce
Can I have some?
for burnt potato chip.
Can I have some burnt potato chip when you're done?
Okay.
Can you pass it to me?
Yeah, so I think the ranking is pasta primavera. I would even put the chili up next, then the stroganoff, and those ones are all really good, I think. And then the rice is not my favorite one.
It's okay.
It's okay, but if you were starving and the zombies were coming outside, it'd be pretty good.
What zombies?
There's no such thing.
Urban Pepper. Do you want some hot sauce?
I do want some hot sauce.
Okay.
You wanna try?
Sausage.
And so far,
Pepper, do you want some
Baby
hot
Prepper
sauce?
loves the pasta primavera. So for kids, I think that's a gimme. That one's really good.
Yeah.
All right, so I think that for all of these, they're good just as is without adding anything. I think everyone's adding hot sauce to their chili. Actually, you're adding 2-pound toothpicks, adding it to everything. I think that the chili could actually, for my preference, could use a little bit of hot sauce. I'd like some pepper for the pasta primavera. The stroganoff is really good as is. I think for all of them, you could add stuff if you had emergency food supply of mushrooms or something. You could add that into here. For the pasta primavera, you could add canned chicken or something like that would be really good. And then for the rice, I think if you added some kind of sausage or something that you could store for long-term food storage, I think it would all be good. But all in all, I think all of them are pretty awesome. What do you think? You agree? You're eating it? Awesome.
Can we have this for dinner?
This is our dinner.
What? I put some pizzas. Oh.
We ordered pizzas just in case it wasn't good. But I think that we're pretty happy.
I like
Yeah, I think this is good. Yeah.
pasta
And noodles. That's going to do it for this video featuring the Legacy Premium Food Storage. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching it. Special thanks to our special guests that we had here. Again, burnt potato chip, kid prepper, and 2-pound toothpick. Also with baby prepper, they all were testing it and gave their authentic views of it. So, and all in all, we think it's 2 thumbs up, right?
Yeah.
For all of them.
But the rice is okay.
The rice is okay.
Yeah.
So I'm going to provide all the information regarding Legacy Premium Food Storage in the description box below with all the information on that, and then where you can purchase it at if you're interested in it. I think that all in all, this would be a good selection to have in your emergency food storage in the garage or in the basement or somewhere like that, and it'd be a good option. And again, the serving size is very impressive on it. Oftentimes with these emergency food storage, the serving sizes are really small. So I like that they have big serving sizes. So again, leave your comments below in the comment section, and I'll see you guys next time. Let's all do a wave. Ready? Here we go. See you, YouTube.